So, my wife went today because yesterday FedEx delivered the replacement inverter. My wife took it to Walmart and said, "Here you go." They said, "What's this?" "It's a return. My husband ordered one online and FedEx gave it to the people next door. And he yelled and screamed and you sent this one out as a replacement. Here you go." "Oh, that one was sent out on a gift card. Keep it. Thank you for trying to be honest." Oh. Okay, so now Poppy gonna have two inverters. Like I have one in the computer room. Run the modem. Won't help me much if the rest of Clear Lake is down, got no electricity. Mediacom can't get electricity to, to the connection place across town where the satellite dishes are and the fiber optics come in and all that. If that ain't got electricity, powering my modem ain't gonna do diddly. But I'm gonna give it a try. This reminded me of something funny that happened back in 1990. I ordered a Smith Little Torch outfit. It was a plastic carrier, oxygen bottle, a settling bottle, regulators, a hose, and a torch head, and 5 tips, right? And a little instruction book, and I think cheap glasses, and a sparker, right? I wasn't home. UPS left it sitting on my porch. Auto Fry sent it out, signature required. I was not home. They laid it on the porch. I get home and, "What's this?" I go in and I immediately call Auto Fry. "Hello? Okay, yeah. Hey, can I talk to Marty?" "Hey, Marty, Wayne here. Guess what UPS did?" I tell them, "What?" "Oh, well, I will have a talk with them." I said, "Please do. Everything you sell me is expensive." He said, "Yes, it is." "We don't want none of it getting lost." I said, "No, we don't." And he said, "Thank you for being honest. You could have just waited a couple of days and called and said, 'Where's my torch?'" I said, "Yes, I could have. Remember that, Marty." He said, "I will. We like customers like that." And Auto Fry loves me. They'll sell me anything I can afford. Anything I can afford. Thereby hangs another tale.